guys, I know it's been a while since I've done a video. I've been pretty busy with different things and getting ready for Thanksgiving. Anyway, you might hear my dog in the background. Hopefully she doesn't bark. But anyway, I saw something on Facebook ads. And normally I don't click on those ads because, you know, they're kind of scammy. Sorry about that. But anyway, it was something I've seen before. It's in the stores. It's meant to hold, it's called a grip bar. You can find them at Walmart or things like that, you know, stores like that. But the thing is, the Facebook ad was selling theirs for like, I don't know, $19.99 or $25.99 or something outrageous. I said, oh, I have one of those. I can, they're not that expensive. Maybe $10 or something. I don't even remember. But I'm going to show you what I did with mine in a moment. So you have to excuse if my dogs whine or anything like that. They're in back of me. But anyway, so I have an acrylic ruler that a lot of quilters use. It's a basic ruler, you know, 24 inches. And in the Facebook ad, they showed this thing. And it's just a handle that has suction cups. And you put it on the wall. And it's pretty good. But in the ad, you just slap it on there like this. I'm going to do this. Give me a second. Okay, so just put it on there. There we go. Now it won't work with the with a mat that has, you know, holes in it so you can do strips. It won't work on that. Believe me, I tried, because that would be a good help. But now it just, now you can hold on to it when you're cutting. So now you have this on here and you can hold it and grip it. Hold it down while you cut. Because when you hold this down, even with your hand and all your weight, and you try to cut, sometimes it shifts. And there we go. So you could just, I need to trim that a little bit more. So I just wanted to show you that really quick before I forgot the idea. But it has worked a lot better than just having to hold the ruler with your hands, because it has shifted on me quite a number of times, and I've had to recut. So maybe you can find one. Maybe somebody already has one and they're not using it. Maybe you can find one at a thrift store, but they're called a grip bar. But thank you for watching.